In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style rich text elements in Webflow CMS. To get started, open your Webflow project and navigate to your collection template page. This is important because the collection template is where your CMS content is displayed. And it gives you the right context for styling rich text content the way it will actually appear on your live site. Once you're on that page, drag a rich text element onto your canvas. This temporary rich text block gives you something to work with visually while setting up your styles. It's a simple but very useful step because it allows you to target and preview nested content like headings, paragraphs, and quotes more easily. Next, select the rich text element you just added and assign it a class name. You can use something descriptive, like blog post content. Giving it a class is essential because this class acts as the parent container for all the nested styles you are about to create. That way, your formatting stays organized and only affects the rich text content inside this specific section. Now click directly into one of the elements inside the rich text block. For example, you might click on a paragraph, an H2 heading, or a block quote. This tells Webflow exactly which type of nested content you want to style. After that, open the Style panel using the shortcut S and click into the Selector field at the top. From the drop-down menu, choose the matching all tag for the element you selected, such as all H2 headings or all paragraphs. This is how you target every instance of that specific HTML tag inside the rich text area, instead of styling just one individual item. At this point, make sure the style is being nested correctly. You want to see that the selector is nested inside the class you created earlier. This is a very important detail, because it ensures your styles apply only within that rich text block and not across other areas of your site that use the same HTML tags. Once that's set up, go ahead and apply your styling in the Style panel. You can adjust typography, spacing, margins, colors, and line height to match the look and feel of your design. As you make these changes, every heading, paragraph, link, or list inside your CMS rich text content will immediately update to reflect those styles, helping you create a consistent and polished layout. When you are happy with the results, delete the temporary static rich text element from your canvas. This final cleanup step makes sure that placeholder content does not get published to your live site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.